Picture a destination where history, culture, cuisine, and natural wonders harmonize in an enchanting fusion of experiences. Welcome to Italy. Nestled between the Alps and the Mediterranean Sea, this captivating Mediterranean jewel stands as a premier destination for travelers in search of a seamless blend of tradition and modernity. Italy's storied past has bestowed upon it a legacy of architectural wonders and enduring artistic treasures. Meanwhile, its multifaceted culture presents a vibrant tapestry of dialects, traditions, and festivities. Nowhere else can you find such a harmonious blend of past and present. Here, every meal is a culinary adventure with exquisite cuisine that has delighted palates for centuries. And let's not forget Italy's breathtaking landscapes, from sun-kissed coastlines to rolling vineyards and towering mountains. In this video, we're going to dive into the heart of Italy, exploring the top 5 cities that any traveler should have on their bucket list. Join us as we embark on a journey through the beautiful cities of Rome, Florence, Venice, Milan, and Naples. Our journey begins in Rome, the Eternal City. Nestled in the heart of Italy, Rome is a city that effortlessly combines the old with the new. It's a place where ancient ruins rub shoulders with bustling piazzas, and where history is woven into the very fabric of the city. Imagine stepping back in time as you wander through the mighty Colosseum, the largest amphitheater ever built. Once the stage of gladiator fights and public spectacles, it's now a silent testament to the grandeur of the Roman Empire. Not too far away, the Pantheon stands as one of the best preserved of all ancient Roman buildings. With its massive dome and oculus, it's a marvel of engineering that continues to inspire even after 2,000 years. But Rome isn't just about ancient monuments. It's also where you'll find the smallest independent state in the world, Vatican City, home to St. Peter's Basilica. This architectural masterpiece is truly a sight to behold. Its towering dome dominates the skyline, and inside, the beauty of the Pietà and the awe-inspiring Sistine Chapel will leave you breathless. Yet Rome is more than its iconic landmarks. It's about experiencing the rhythm of life in the city. It's about strolling through the Roman Forum, where every stone has a story to tell. It's about visiting the treasure trove of art and history that are the Vatican museums. And at the end of a long day of exploration, what could be better than enjoying a creamy gelato near the Spanish Steps, watching the world go by? Rome is a city that invites you to wander, to explore, and to discover. It's a city where every turn of a corner can reveal a stunning vista or a hidden gem. It's a city that captures the imagination, that stirs the soul, and that always leaves you wanting more. From its ancient ruins to its vibrant streets, Rome truly offers a timeless adventure. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or simply a curious traveler, Rome is a city that promises an unforgettable journey through the ages. Next, we find ourselves in Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. A city draped in the splendors of bygone eras, Florence is a treasure trove of iconic landmarks. The Duomo, with its awe-inspiring dome, stands as a testament to the city's rich history and architectural prowess. A stone's throw away, the Uffizi Gallery houses masterpieces from some of the greats of the Renaissance period. A stroll across the Ponte Vecchio, an ancient bridge lined with quaint shops, offers a snapshot of a time when Florence was the center of European trade and finance. But Florence isn't just about history, it's about experiences. Climb the Florence Cathedral for a panoramic view of the city, wander in the lush Boboli Gardens, or indulge in the city's famous T-bone steak, a culinary delight that's not to be missed. Florence, a city where every corner echoes with the brilliance of artistic and architectural masterpieces. Now let's glide through the waterways of Venice, the floating city. A city built on water, Venice is a spectacle of human tenacity and architectural prowess. With its intricate network of canals, Venice is a place where the roads are made of water and the cars are replaced by gondolas. The Grand Canal, the city's main artery, is a spectacular waterway lined with magnificent palazzos and punctuated by the iconic Rialto Bridge. St. Mark's Basilica, with its Byzantine domes, and the Gothic Doge's Palace are two landmarks that encapsulate Venice's rich history and grandeur. For a true Venetian experience, don't miss the chance to take a gondola ride, immersing yourself in the city's unique rhythm and charm. Visit the bustling Rialto Market, where the city's pulse can be felt amidst stalls of fresh produce and seafood. And of course, be mesmerized by the art of glass blowing in Murano, a tradition that dates back centuries. Venice, a city that promises romance and mystery in every winding canal and narrow alleyway. We now step into the stylish streets of Milan, the fashion capital. This cosmopolitan hub, renowned worldwide for its high-end fashion and design, is also home to awe-inspiring landmarks. The majestic Duomo di Milano, a marvel of Gothic architecture, and the Sforza Castle, a testament to the city's rich history, are must-visit sites. Don't miss out on viewing Leonardo da Vinci's masterpiece, The Last Supper, a sight that leaves visitors spellbound. But Milan isn't just about history and culture. It's a city that embraces the present with open arms. The Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, one of the oldest shopping malls in the world, is a paradise for fashion enthusiasts. The world-famous La Scala Opera House offers a taste of Italy's vibrant performing arts scene. And when the sun sets, unwind with an aperitivo in the chic Brera district. Milan, a city that effortlessly blends the contemporary and the historical. Finally, we arrive in Naples, the city of the sun. This vibrant city is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Let's start with the formidable Mount Vesuvius, whose historical eruptions have shaped the city's fate and landscape. Then there's the Archaeological Museum, a must-visit for history buffs, where artifacts from Pompeii and Herculaneum paint a vivid picture of ancient life. Don't miss the chance to marvel at the grandeur of the Royal Palace, a symbol of the city's illustrious past. For an immersive experience, journey through the ancient city of Pompeii, a time capsule preserving the life and times of the Romans. Now let's talk food. Naples is the birthplace of the world-famous Neapolitan pizza, so be sure to indulge in this culinary delight. And as the day winds down, find your way to Posillipo Hill. Here, watch the sun set over the city, casting a warm golden glow on the bustling streets. Naples, a city that delights with its vibrant streets, colorful history, and mouth-watering cuisine. And that concludes our journey through the enchanting cities of Italy. We began with Rome, the eternal city, steeped in history and brimming with architectural wonders. We then moved on to Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance, where art and culture thrive in every corner. Our journey took us to Venice, the floating city, where romance is not just in the air, but also in the serene canals and charming gondolas. We then strutted through the stylish streets of Milan, the fashion capital, where modernity meets tradition in the most elegant of ways. Finally, we soaked up the sun and the vibrant culture in Naples, the city of the sun, a city that thrives on its pulsating energy and mouth-watering cuisine. Whether it's Rome's timeless allure, Florence's artistic charm, Venice's romantic canals, Milan's stylish elegance, or Naples' vibrant culture, each city in Italy promises a unique and unforgettable experience. So why wait? Start planning your Italian adventure today.